Let's double check, guys, the Dash USDT trading pair with my customer set. So this is updates of the video what I posted basically 2 years ago. All levels, guys, absolutely still the same, still relevant, and will be relevant until the token tradable on major centralized exchanges. If the token delisted, of course, we can't talk about realistic targets by this model just because after the listing there is no liquidity. Got it. So Dash is a Dino token, and guys, once again, not all tokens will pump even close to the new all-time high, because this is a global chart. So this is Dash USD Kraken since February 14. So this is what people looking for on the altcoin season. But guys, we can't compare the Zone 21 even with Zone 25. What do we talk about October 16 and Zone 25? So in Zone 21 there was 20,000 tokens, 20. Okay, and tokens exist. Now it's around 26 million tokens exist. So unfortunately, the people wrecked themselves because they start run that millions absolutely random meme tokens and just spread the liquidity between. So the liquidity can concentrate in some sectors and some tokens. So some tokens pump it like 30%. After that, the devs rug pull the guys, and the money rotating between the devs, between the scam tokens, between the random layer 1, layer 2, layer 0 projects, a lot of new categories in the market. So it's absolute mass. So the people rack themselves. And based on this FIB, this is a global FIB. I highly recommend you go and check the big playlist about the tokens bull run plan. Find this video. All levels absolutely on the same place. I'm not change anything on this chart. So guys, all targets are relevant. The question is only when. We can't know when. But the target's relevant. The craziness scenario for the Dash. Now, like you can see, the Zcash pump it, Monero pump it, even after the listing. But Monero, it's a totally different story. It's like a cult token. Privacy tokens start pumping. So the Horizon even pump a little bit. Zcash, of course, Zcash is not an old one like Dash, but Zcash hit a new all-time high. Now, they sweep the high of May 21. So if for example the Dash will start pumping, it can be over than this high of May 21, over than 476. It will be the 670 per Dash. The craziness scenario, it's 1,000 per Dash. If we'll see some amazing parabolic move. I don't believe in 1,000 per Dash. If you believe in it, you can wait and wait your targets. So this was a zone of global accumulation. So here, since August 18, we trade here, test till penny, pump it, end of cycle, come back again inside, and even drop under this level, consolidate. Now hold the line, bounce, and the road can be open straightforward to 151. Liquidity pool of August 21, 283, and new high, not new all-time high. So the end of cycle can be the positive case, guys, 670. So this is what about the Dash. This is how it looks like on a monthly. Can we drop lower? Yes, easily, just in an eye blink. That's why this is just a madness result. So I don't know what should happen in the market around. So every single bank should allow the people buy the crypto, stake the crypto. I don't know. The all crypto enthusiasts should start buying the privacy tokens. I don't know what should happen. So the Dash will pump to here. Maybe also by speculation of the market makers. Also possible scenario. That's why, guys, this is a crazy scenario. 670, it's a most positive case scenario. Most realistic one, it's a 376. So this one, the test of the zero level. Got it. So if it's about the FIB, let me show you another FIB. It's a global one. Since all-time high in December 17, and this is a local one. It's from high of Zone 21. So here, made somewhere one, drop, consolidation, bounce to almost 0.5 level FIB, and long-term period we consolidate around 20 and around and inside 27 block. No, right, this one. So based on this one, so definitely we will go higher than liquidity pool of August 21 to 0.5 293. After that 397, 424, and maybe yes 670, 700. It can be the top of the top for the dash this cycle if we will see some parabolic move. The negative scenario, of course, this one, and crash it down to bear market. That's why, guys, it's not about to be right or wrong. It's about a plan all the time. Build a plan, when to in, when to out. When you get a plan, no matter what happened after, absolutely zero FOMO, zero emotion, nothing. So you just, for example, buying here approximately, let's say 26, you got a plan. So I fixed my initial deposit 110, fix 25% at this area, fix 25% here, done. I'm okay. So I'm finished the ride. Around average exit will be around here. So that's about a plan, because the people all the time just dream about to catch the knives and to catch exact bottom. So when you press buy, exactly after that second, when you only you press buy, the token never drop it back to your entry and skyrocket only to the moon, and only when you press sell, this cycle ended. So this is what people dream about, but it's just absolute no makes sense. No makes sense, guys. The main goal is accumulate some assets where you believe in it and you want to accumulate this token. You can't accumulate every single token. It's a fact. Only fancy influencer accumulate every single token and every single dip after the dip. You know, with the amazing DCA strategy, you know, they always gotta by magic some great entries for every single token. But guys, it's just a fake, just a fake. So this industry, it's absolutely brainwashed, you know. So what can you do now? Basically now it's still okay zone to accumulate, because if the target and if the BTC dominance, we can't know at this current moment, guys. Nobody will tell you the future, but you have to build a plan. Mark the levels, and if the BTC dominance now around 60%, will we see the BTC dominance under 50%? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. This cycle totally different, guys. Stop dream about the previous behaviors, previous patterns, which play out previous cycles. This cycle totally different, and we can't know. Maybe the BTC dominance will stuck to 60% and 70%, and will never drop back to under 50%. It's possible. That's why just invest that amount of money in Dash, for example, if you want it, and wait some targets. You can add even the stop loss on a spot. That's why my targets for the Dash is here, 293 and new high, like not new all-time high, new high, 700, this one. I'm not invested in the Dash. I'm not a fan of privacy tokens. I already invested in some Dino token like IOTA, right? And I'm stuck in it. That's why I'm not buying every single token. So I skip the Dash. I don't like this old tokens. I don't like it. So that's why I'm not invested in it. But yes, any token, guys, has potential. Any token. And the Dash potential is here, based on TA. Right. Now, let's double check, guys, with my customer app, what's going on now with the Dash, globally and locally. ADZ direction. Highly recommend you, in education purposes, go and check the first video about the Dash, so you understand why we trade at that level when I posted the first video, and why we landed exactly to this block, because this was an accumulation block historically. It's playing out like accumulation block if we determine the zones correctly. The main accumulation was here in June 2022, $38. The big problem, guys, between the whales and the retailers, the whales don't care about the time. So for example, they can invest $1 million, just approximately $1 million in the Dash in 2022 at $40, and at 80, for example, after the 3 years, they just fix the profit $100. $100 $100 million in just 3 years. Nice profit. Nice profit. But if you invest, for example, 1K in 2022, after 3 years, you get a 1K. That's a problem of size of initial deposit and the timing. You know, the retailers like you and me, we need quick gains, you know, because we need to increase our deposit, initial deposit. That's why we take a bigger risk. And we wait the 5x, 10x, 50x, you know, we chase some good gains, you know, because we need to increase our deposit. And the big guys, they don't care about that. They need just double X to make a million from million. So it's a fact. It's a fact. And retailers all the time dream about new all-time high for every single token because it's happened at previous cycles, because they need it. They need to dream about it, because it's the last hope to change their life with the fancy useless tokens. Monthly time frame, guys, take a look. Honestly, I don't think so. We're gonna hit the new all-time high, just to be honest. So this is a top, drop. So soon, I think we can bounce to 300, for example, 290, hit the top, and maybe it's gonna be the end of cycle. We can't know in a moment, but I'm more than sure we will hit the 0.5. This one level, no, this one. So 293. And at that time in a monthly, we'll be at the top. Here's the accumulation. So the whales start accumulate dash only June 23, and during all these months, every single month, someone accumulated dash. The average entry of that, guys, we can't know, but we understand. So soon they will pump it a little bit higher, and maybe we'll see some outflow on the monthly. On the weekly time frame, this looks like a flat line, right? It's weird. This cycle, guys, absolutely weird. I never seen the weirdest cycle ever. And here is accumulation in June somewhere to distribution. Now we're at the top. So soon, I guess we will see the distribution again. So based on direction indicator, there is no signal for sales. Got it. So targets I showed you based on the Fibs levels and the my zones. Based on indicators, market mood, we're in a free zone. The same story was here in December 24. What to do with this information? Up to you. Last time we dump it from 71 to $20. Now we trade at $69.99, and we can drop even lower. Nobody will tell you the future, guys, but I showed you the data. Now, what to do? Honestly, if I could buy the dash, for example, at 27, what I could do, I just fix my initial deposit. It's never the mistake to withdraw your money out from the market. Zero risk. With the free token, you totally don't care. You already fix the profit. You save your initial deposit, and you can reinvest in another one token which still not pump it. And with the free tokens, imagine this is a free money from the air. If we pump to 293, you fix the profit from the free money, free tokens. If we dump to zero, you don't care. That's the magic of the plan. Monthly, definitely we are in this belief area. Not even close, because to even the hope zone. Last time we end the cycle in the hope zone, just in the hope, not even apheria on a monthly. That's why you can wait at least the hope zone again. You can add alert, for example, open the market mood indicator, add the hope, optimism, and wait that target. And maybe after that, when you see the alert in your trading, you can fix the profit some. Or wait the apheria, if you believe in crazy parabolic super cycle like everybody's shilling here. I don't believe in super cycle this time. Money power, guys, take a look. The money inflow was here in June, August, $23. $23, $30. So $23 and $30. Now the price is 61. So maybe that guy's already withdraw initial deposit. We can't know. Of course, there is no money outflow like this one. So you cannot add also alert to see the money outflow. So basically, this can be the time to fix some profit. Weekly time frame. money inflow was here in June 2024 at $21. After that, money outflow, MACD bullish divergence. Now we trade at the top without any money inflow, without any money outflow. Done. So it's information for your own decision. Based on the weekly time frame, sell, drop, sell. We saw the drop, now bounce. And the monthly time frame, we see the sell. Here's the buybacks, 2 buybacks, pump, 1, 2, 3 buybacks, no pumps yet. So guys, I hope to see the main altcoin season. Unfortunately, not all tokens will pump during the next 3 months, and maybe the end of cycle for the altcoins will be in spring 2026. So targets, guys, relevant, highly recommend you go and check the first video. Where to fix a dash, it's only up to you. My targets, my zones, I showed you. I'm gonna track the dash maybe with some alerts. Maybe I will add some alerts to dash to check the money inflow, money outflow, to understand where maybe open a short position. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. Here, take profit line, it's 107.52 and 122.81. It's exit line. Last time we trade way over exit line and end the cycle. This one. So now maybe this history repeat and we can go higher. So just in case, guys, everything possible. You saw the horizon made a move like this one in one green candle. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment below your thoughts about a dash. If you'd like to trade with my custom like I would show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.